Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working here guys on a Chevy Cruze and we'll show you how to remove or how to replace guys inner tail light, the one on the trunk lid. Stay with us guys, we'll demonstrate on the right side, left side is exactly the same way. Quick introduction, every car we get at the shop guys, including that Chevy Cruze model, will make at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video for all the work we do and all the free information we provide to you. If you guys want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can purchase parts for your car for a super good price and fast shipping as well. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So what we need to do first guys, we need to open the trunk and now we need to go ahead and remove that carpet liner, okay, right here. The whole thing from start to finish. So we get a clip removal tools and we just start disassembling. How we do that? We pull the centerpiece out. Okay, check it out now. Perfect right there. Okay, pull that centerpiece out, pull the whole clip guys. Perfect, you need to pull the whole centerpiece out, not just a little bit. It needs to come all the way out. And when it does, okay, you can pull the clip as well. Okay, perfect, just like that. So you can see how many we have. Now we have one more right here that we need to remove. You have to be extremely careful. If you need to buy replacement clips guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below where you can purchase some. And again, all the tools that we use, if you need to buy panel removal tools, clip removal tools, all that will be listed there as well. So this one is out. Now, what else we have? We have one right there. Okay, that's a little bit hidden, but we need to get this one as well. Perfect. Now on top, right there guys, we need to remove that one and you can see it started getting loose. Okay, but this one, okay, we need to do that one as well, we forgot about it. Perfect, let's do that one in the corner here. So you just go with the plastic too to break it loose and then we go with the metal one and just remove it. Perfect. Okay, let's see. Okay, that cover just came out guys. This is for the trunk. It just slides over. Okay, it just goes in like that. It has only two clips. You can see and you pull it out. Now, always make sure you collect all your clips. Don't lose them. If you break them, again, it's possible because sometimes they get stuck. We'll have the link where you can purchase them guys in the description of the video below. Okay, great. Just a few more now. I think we have only 3 and then we have 2 more screws that we need to remove in order to get that carpet liner out of the way. Okay, just one more. Where it is? Right there guys, towards the back. So let's go ahead and remove that one now. So altogether you can see it took us about 3 minutes to remove that piece without stopping the camera. Now 7mm socket guys, this is a great electric screwdriver. Just go ahead, remove 2 screws for that handle here. Perfect, very long screws. I'll place them in. Now, okay, we have one more clip guys, hidden, right there, in the middle. Otherwise everything else should have come out. If it doesn't come out, you still have a clip, something holding somewhere. So be careful. Now grab it. Okay, the handle right here. That handle needs to go. Okay, get it out of the clip, pull it through the carpet liner, okay, and get it out. You can see just like that. So the light now guys, okay, let's explain now. What you need to do, the right side, okay, and the left side is exactly the same procedure. What you need to do, Okay, disconnect your light bulb. Turn it counterclockwise, pull it out. Perfect. Now we have two bolts holding here. Okay, with 8mm. Two of them, two nuts. And two nuts on the outside. And as you can see, guys, once you do all that, you can gently grab your light, careful not to break it. Okay, and you should be able to pull it out. Okay, it may be stuck a little bit, but be careful, it should come out. Okay, you can see just like that. And the light is disassembled, guys. That's how we do it. If you need to do the left one, it's exactly the same way. If you need to purchase a new one, guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, so please check it out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.